Hello children. Hope you all are well at your homes and taking all the precautions to be safe and healthy. I am back here again with your next chapter of English grammar, that is lesson 1, one and more than one. First of all, let's recall the previous lesson, what we have learned there. So in the previous chapter we have studied about naming words, that is the name of a person, place, animal or thing is called naming words, or you can say noun. Now these naming words are used for one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. Now this chapter is about one and more than one, or you can say singular and plural nouns. That is, singular is for one and plural is for more than one, or you can say many. Now, when we talk about one person, one place, animal or thing, we call it singular noun. For example, crow, gate, house. And when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing, we call it plural noun. For example, crows, hats, houses, etc. First rule is just by adding s to the singular form. For example, we can see here a word cat, and the plural form of the cat will be just by adding s to its singular form, that will be cats, cats. Next we can see dog, and the plural form of dog will be just by adding s to its again singular form, and its plural form will be dogs, dogs. Next rule is by adding es to form plural form. So the words ending with s, x, z, ch, sh, we add es to make it plural. Let's see some examples. The first word is bunch, bunch, and we can see that it ends with the letters ch. So for its plural form we just add es to it, and the word becomes bunches, bunches. The next word is dish, 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 and again we see it ends with sh. So for making plural form we just add es to it, and we get the plural form as dishes, dishes. And the next word is glass, glass. Again we see that it ends with a letter s, so we will add es to make it plural, and we get the word as glass, glasses. Now last word is box, 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 and it ends with the letter x. Again we add es to this word to make it plural, and we get the word as boxes, boxes. We have some nouns that have different plural forms. We don't add s or es here for plural forms. Let's see some examples for this. Child, child, and the plural form of child is children, children, children. Next word is foot, 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 and the plural form of foot will be feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Next word is man. M-A-N, man. And the plural form will be men. M-E-N, men. Next word is women. W-O-M-A-N, women. And the plural form will be women. W-O-M-E-N, women. Next word is tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. And the plural form will be T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Next word is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. And the plural form will be mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Here in these words we can see that we don't use or add S or ES to the singular form. We have just new words for the plural form. Now few nouns have the same form for both the singular and plural. We can see some examples like deer. Deer has its plural form as deer, which is same. Next is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, and again the plural form of sheep is same as sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Now let's come to our book exercise. Open your book, page number 28. The question is, look at the pictures. Write S for one and P for more than one in the box provided. Here in this question we will write S or P according to the things given in the each box. Let's see the first box. Here is a picture of banana. So we can see here is one banana, so we will write here S. In the next box there is again one chair. Again we will write here S. Similarly we can see here there are many books. Many books means more than one. For this we will write here P, which stands for plural. So children, the rest part you will do with your own. Try to do it on your own. Now let's see the next page, page number 29. Here the question A is, underline the correct word under each picture. One has been done for you. Here in this question there are some pictures with its singular and plural form. We have to underline the word according to the picture, as the first one is done for you. As in the first picture there are two cups, that is more than one. So we will underline the plural form of cup, that is C-U-P-S, cups. Now in the next picture there is again more than one spoon, that is there are two spoons. So again we will underline the plural form of spoon, that will be spoons. S-P-O-O-N-S, spoons. Again in the next picture we see one pen, and we will underline its singular form, pen. P-E-N, pen. These two parts I have done for you. Now again the rest part you will do with your own. Now let's see question B. Fill in the blanks by adding S to the naming words. One has been done for you. Here in this question we have to change singular form into plural by just adding S. See the first one, here is one doll. So the plural form will be by adding s to the word doll. That is, it will be DOSS. Now the next is a picture of one biscuit, and its plural form will be biscuits. BISCUITS, biscuits. Now turn the page and open page number 30. Let's come on question C. Fill in the blanks by adding es to the naming words. One has been done for you. Here we have to change the singular form into plural form by just adding es. Let's see the first part, which is already done. The first picture is of a toothbrush, and the plural of toothbrush will be just by adding es to the word toothbrush. That will be TOOTHES, toothbrushes. In the next picture we have to write the plural of box, which will be BOXES, boxes. In the next one we have to write the plural form of bench, which will be benches. BENCHES, benches. And the last one we have to write the plural form of mango, which will be mangoes. MANGOES, mangoes. Now let's see page number 31. Here in this question you have to just write singular or plural form as required in every pictures. As in the first picture we have to write the plural form of banana. That will be bananas. BANANAS, bananas. Next is a picture of glass. Again we have to write the plural form of glass. We see that the word glass ends with the letter S. So we know that the word ending with S, X, CH, SH, we add ES to make plural form. So its plural form will be glasses. GLASSES, glasses. Next word is watch. Again it ends with the letters CH, and again we have to use the same rule by adding ES. So the plural form will be watches. That is WATCHES, watches. In the next picture we can see already the plural form is given of boys. We have to write its singular form. That will be boy. BOY, boy. Now similarly the rest part you have to do on your own. Now you might have understood that what is your homework. Yes, your homework is to complete the rest part of this exercises. Now complete the left part and also revise the rules from this video. Thank you.